This video will cover setting the driver to angle control mode with torque monitoring. To do this, we will enter the setup menu by touching the menu icon in the top right hand corner of the screen, then going to programs, then torque and angle. It comes up and you see that torque control is selected by default. We will want to select what is now labeled as angle monitoring. When you select it, it changes it to angle control, and you can see our torque is now set to monitoring. The angle control will run the screwdriver to the target degree of rotation entered here. We could say 1500 degrees. We can set up a min-max so that if it goes over by 50 degrees, it returns an error. And if it is under by 50 degrees, it will return an error. We can measure this starting at a target torque or from a lever pull that is adjusted here. So if we wanted to control strictly by angle from the time you pull the lever, we select lever start. From the time you pull the lever, it will run to 1500 degrees and then stop. Additionally, from here, we can look at the torque value when it stops. And if it is above 53 inch-pounds, it would be not okay. If it were below 9 inch-pounds, it would be not okay. In the field, these will be set to more realistic numbers. This is all just an example of how to activate the angle control, set the target with your min-max window, and activate it by lever, or you can start measuring these degrees of rotation at a specific torque value. To save these changes, after we set it back to lever, we will go to the check mark and hit yes, and then back to the home screen. You will now see that the target is listed as angle and our min-max is on the monitoring side of torque.